Hello, everyone that gives a shit, about old stuff. Guess what I have? This is an example of a computer. The computers while they were in their infancy. So you can see here, we got Radio Shack TRS-80 with two floppy disk drives. Model 4 micro computer. It also says here, where are you at? 64K RAM, that stands for random access memory. It's in pretty good condition. Surprised it's lasted this long. Thought it'd be interesting to show it off, since I show every damn thing else off. This is an actual disc, floppy disk, and we're gonna find out if it's alive. Alright, let's plug it in and press the on button. Follow me. Not like you can go anywhere else. Shit. Here's my little baby. And this is my brute doggy. Little pit bull pajama party. Anyway. Oh look, it's working. Now how do you like that? And then we have things. Now the iPhone, the flip phone, or these are called throwaway phones, and the laptop, and I think that's about it for now. I got a lot more neater stuff than this. And subscribe, share, comment, laugh at this, because when I went to school we had to learn how to, there was no Windows. What the fuck's a window? You look outside through it. And one time my brother pushed me through a window when I was, 5 years old. But, it's all good. Shit happens. Brothers. You know what I'm saying. Anyway. It appears that all keys are on. Even there's these little on button. And, it's a dual disk drive. Why both of them spinning, I do not know. You can flip them if you want. You can flip it off if you want, You can throw it out the window. I keep it as a keepsake. And here's that model again. Radio Shack TRS-80. When we went to school, we had to write basic programming. Nothing but syntax errors. Wow. Thank God for Windows. Kind of saved everyone's life. This is the Donnie Altman Hope you enjoyed it. Plenty more where this came from. You know, share that shit. Watch it. Love it. Make fun of it. But oh, I got better stuff. So, stay tuned. God bless and peace out.